Welcome guys to this tutorial. I'm Andy, CEO of SteelCryptoWallet, and today I want to show you how to protect your crypto wallet for centuries. Keeping your crypto assets on an exchange is very dangerous. Not your keys, not your coins. That's why self-custody is so important. In this video, I show you how to use the SteelCryptoWallet correctly to make your recovery seed words almost indestructible. So let's go. In the scope of delivery, you will find one SteelCryptoWallet consisting of two very robust 1.5mm stainless steel plates. These can withstand temperatures of up to 1300 centigrade. That's twice as hot as it takes to melt aluminum. Additionally, you will find two sealing labels and a tool to open the special screws. In the first step, open the two special screws using the tool like a screwdriver. On the inside of the plate, you will find a prepared table for your seed phrase. You can protect two wallets with a maximum of 24 words each. With the help of the battery-powered engraving pen, you can now write your secret recovery words in the appropriate columns. The engraved seed words are protected against fire, water immersion and chemicals. When you are done, put both plates together so that the engraved words are on the inside. Now fasten the two special screws. To ensure that nobody secretly opens your SteelCryptoWallet, stick the two sealing labels on the opposite sides over the edge. To get inside, the label has to be removed and will be permanently destroyed. Unauthorized intrusion is recognized immediately. I wish you a lot of joy with your SteelCryptoWallet and thank you for your attention. Stay safe out there, we're all gonna make it.